下雨了 The chords are out. If you come for our workshop, then you will know how to play. You don't have to depend on the Liber Live app to have like the things to guide you along. There are musicians who actually use all these chords. They come out pretty fast. You listen to Jethro first. If I want to make it higher, I can change key. So when you come for workshop, you teach you how you can play and sing using all these chord sheets that you can find on the internet.